our previous video, we have discussed about lazy evaluations and action, where we discuss about plans and action using practical demonstration. We saw how a data frame is created and how an action is creating a job for us. In continue to world, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to discuss about the partition in Apache Spark. So partition rely majorly over the tables which we have created, or even we can say the data frames. Okay. So first of all, understand the terminology. Let's say we have a table where we are representing the sales, year, and reason. So what partition basically do is, so considering this as a folder, let me bring a folder here. What it is going to do, this consider this as your whole table. Okay, this is your table. Sure. And what happens is, when you do a partitioning of it, it is going to create some different folders for you, such that this folder will have that particular data. And what do I mean by this particular data? So when I say I want to partition my table into 3 columns, okay, and the columns are, and let's suppose I want to partition based on this reason. Okay, I like this. I want to partition based on this reason. Okay. So I have partition based on the reason. Let me put it here. So what will happen? There will be a 3 more separate folders created for you now. Okay, one this, as we can see, second one will be this, second one, third will be this one. Okay, and what happened here is, this folder which we have created, actually the partition has created for us, it will contain data. What sort of data? It will have data for a particular reason. Okay, and having said that, okay, data will come here. Okay, west data will come here. Okay, and north data will come here. Okay, and we can even, partition the data. Let's suppose we can even provide the different keys. Let's say this was the reason. Then I want to give the second key as my year. Second key will be my year. Okay. So inside these folders, now again, 3 different folders will get created. Let's suppose East, Control C, Control V. Okay. Control V. Okay. Control V. Okay. So 3 different folders will more created now. And this will represent my, okay, my year 2026, my year 2020, and my year 2025. Let me do it very quick. So here you go, the second one and the third one. Cool. Okay. Yeah, third one. So it will represent my 2026. This will represent 2020. Okay, 2020, and this will represent 2025. Same way go for west and north as well. Okay, so this is how partition will work. And what will happen when you will write something like any select statement? Let me break it to the right. If you write something like select, let's say right now, everything from our table, that is the table itself right now. Okay, from table where, this is where clause where you are going to get the performance now. You will say where reason is equal to east. Okay, reason equals to east. So what it will do is, it is going to bring the whole data for you now from the east region. Okay, from this east region. So basically, it is going to bring this whole data for you, 2026, and this whole complete. Okay, the one selected in the green. Let me push it backward. Okay, thing here. So the data which is present in green, it is going to show me that. Now let's suppose you don't even need complete this data. You just need the data rely in east with year 2025. Okay, with east and 2025. So you will give the your where, you will definitely modify your where reason, right? So what you will go, you are going to do is, okay, where is equal to 2025. So while doing so, have you realized you have just done, like, you have skipped the data from the whole data which you are having here? You just came down to the east data, east region data, and from there also you have picked only 2025 data. It has even skipped 2026 2020, and even west, north, every kind of data. So this is how partitioning will give performance to you. Okay. Now, for this, from today onward, we are going to start our practical as well. So I want you to head over to my GitHub account and go to my GitHub, go in our repository. Okay. And from repository, you will find one repository as Databricks top. Okay. I want you to download a file from here that is salesdata.csv. I want you to download this file into your computer. Okay. And head over toward Databricks free edition from where we have already created the account. Okay. Now, first thing first, you will see the screen like this. Okay. I want you to come over, catalog. Catalog, currently you can understand this as a storing unit for you. Okay. We will explain it later. So you are not going to see anything like that. You will be just seeing the workspace system, and these are all with respect to me. It will not be for you. Okay. So what I want you to click over this plus icon here, and click over it and create a catalog. Okay. And this catalog name will be Databricks. Cool. And this will be standard. Use default storage because we are in a free edition tier. Okay. Just create this. Okay. Catalog. Okay. What it create catalog name is in a reverse catalog name Databricks. Okay. Second. Okay. Let me create this and it will take this. So it is saying that it has created the catalog for me, and you can see it is present here. Okay. Now I want to make sure you also get the same thing, default information. This is created by Databricks itself. We are not going to use any one of this. So all action, come over here. Okay. Come over here. Now you are inside this. I want you to create a schema. Okay. Just click on create a schema and say like, raw files. Okay. Raw files folder schema schema. That's it. Yeah. And the location will, no, we are not going to use any external location. Let it use the manage space right now. Manage space is something which is provided by Databricks itself. Okay. So just create this as well. Now you have raw file schema as well. Now what I want you to do, I want you to create another thing inside it, that is the volume. Volume is where we are going to upload our file. This is a storing unit for you. Okay. So just give the volume name. I want to give this as raw files, RAW, raw files upload. Okay. This will be a managed volume. That is, the storage will be given to us by Databricks. If I select the external volume, so you have to specify your S3 bucket, or if you are using Azure, you have to specify the blob storage. Anything will be fine. For right now, we will be using the manage volume. Okay. Just create it. And it has already picked our catalog and schema name. So that's great. Just pick it. If you want to change, you can change it from here. Okay. Raw file has been created. The volume inside it has been created. Now, what I will do, I want to upload a file here. Okay. Just come over here and I want to upload the file. Upload to volume. Okay. Just click over here. Okay. The file which you have downloaded from my GitHub, just select that file now. Okay. That is sales data. Select it and upload it. That's it. Okay. You are done. Okay. Okay. Till this part, if you have any issue, just comment me down what you are facing the issue. I will try to solve it. But I believe this is a very easy step. You will get it directly. Okay. So you have this now. Now I want you to duplicate this tab. Okay. Just right click over and make a duplicate of this tab. Okay. Okay. Duplicate of this tab. Cool. Okay. Okay. Now we have done the duplication. I want you to come over here and come to the workspace. So basically right now I'm telling you how to set up your first workspace and catalog. Okay. Create a new folder basically, and name is that anything you can learning Databricks. Okay. And create it. Definitely you are not going to see any other thing which we have here. Okay. And inside it, I want you to create a notebook. That's it. Now we are ready to learn the partition in practical way. Okay. The video very concise. I will be moving the demonstration part to the next video. So please head over to the next video for practical demonstration. Thank you.